Alright, we're back here. Generator's off. Just want to explain sprinkler systems. Maybe some of you are interested and some of you are not. So I needed two things. I needed the sprinkler system and this faucet to be moved, which was behind there and really annoying to go around this generator house. So what I did was, went to Home Depot, draw it out first so you know all the bends and what you need. Pretty simple. They sell all this stuff at Home Depot, Lowe's, all those places. So I got a faucet, got the connector that goes into it, goes down to the ground. Now you're probably saying, why the hell do I have this here? This is very useful for the wintertime. Where I live is gets cold and pipes break and you can't leave water in them, especially outside. So in the wintertime, all I gotta do is open this and leave it open all winter so that the pipes don't freeze and crack and break, and then you have to redo the work that you did last year, the year before. So that's what that is for. So the hose just goes around to the hose reel and wash the cars or whatever. So let's go back here where the main stuff is. Alright. Water that comes out of the house. This stays on all the time. You have to understand there's two different kind of threads. There's threads for pipes and threads for hose. So you got the hose here that connects into a hose end side, which is on the opposite side that goes into here is regular pipe threading, which works beautiful in this case because this is what you need to adapt. And then this slides on and you just use the glue. So, stand back here a little bit. Okay. So let's explain these. Alright, so this is valve 1 and valve 2. Actually, no, I'm wrong. Valve 3 and 4. So, on the opposite side of the house, I have two zones for the sprinklers over there. So, this is zone 3 and 4. So, zone 3, I haven't connected these yet. I just finished installing all this stuff, the generator and these, so I will eventually get around to wiring these up. Essentially, what these wires go to is a timer, which I have inside the house, that controls all the sprinklers outside. Basically just running the two wires, well, in this case 4 wires, to the panel and hooking them up. Pretty straightforward. So the water is sitting in here, pressurized all the time. What happens is the timer sends a signal to this, and this opens up. I can do it manually here too, by just unscrewing this a little bit. And as you can hear, the sprinklers are on up there. So I'm going to turn it off, because I'm going to get wet over here. So, again, threaded pipe connection that translate into hose again. And I ran these hoses before they did the construction, so I didn't have the right exact hose. I would have used the plastic hosing for sprinklers, but that didn't work. I didn't have them right at that moment when they were digging up the yard and stuff. So there you go. The other one is over here. So that's the connection. Now, this zone, I'll do it manually because I don't have it connected to the timer. I'll turn this on and we'll go check those out. Alright, I have a combo. It's combo drip irrigation with little sprayer heads, which work nicely in this case because I got big bushes, as you can see, that need lots of water. And they look like these. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Okay, not going to zoom in for me. If you can see there, so that's what these are, and these are adjustable. You can go, these things can put out to 10, between 0 and 10 gallons per minute onto your plant. So they work really well. So I have the hose exposed right now. I'm not going to bury it because you don't have to bury this hose. I'm just going to put mulch over it, which I have to mulch the whole bed. So all the trees have that. Pipe goes in and out. There's another little head in and there. And then you'll see that I have bricks on all this stuff right now because the hose, once the sun hits it, the black hose, it'll eventually will mold itself and stay on the ground for temporarily, so that they're not in the air and everything. Just put bricks on them, or they make these stakes that go right over the whole hose, which you can also use and they'll stay in place forever. So this is the connection. Again, Home Depot, Lowe's, all that, they have this stuff. This hose was ran before they dug up the driveway and everything, and I'm glad I did it because I would have not been able to do it. So again, goes underneath there, some more, and then on this side I opted to put up 2 inches of pop-up heads, and these work pretty well. Problem is we don't keep the same flowers. Some flowers come back every year, some flowers don't. So we add flowers sometimes, so it was just easier instead of putting the drip irrigation in this bed. So that's the sprinkler setup. There's also another head out there to water the grass, which is also pop-up. Oh, forgot to mention that this project, between the generator and the sprinklers, cost me $175. Well worth it, because I'll have power when I need it. And all I gotta do is come outside and pull it, and run an extension cord inside. And the sprinklers, I do not have to come out and water this bed anymore. Alright. Glad that you guys watched. Hopefully this helps you with your setup.